a little good news today.
Alright YouTube, I am doing another cleaning my main show area video. I haven't done one in a while, and my show area here, the one with the commercial grade carpet, is quite dirty. So I need to clean it. I figured I'd show me doing it. So I'm using my Hoover Convertible u4003 for this. So let's get started. And there we have it. Cleaning my main show area with the Hoover Convertible model U4003. I hope y'all did enjoy it. Tell me how you liked it. Tell me what y'all would like to see. And I will see what I can do and how I can do it. Until next time, bye.
That big 8-wheeler rolling down the track means a true loving daddy ain't coming back, 'cause I'm moving on. I'll soon be gone.